Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Sprints. Zoho Sprints is a powerful Agile project management tool designed to help teams efficiently plan, track, and deliver projects. It supports methodologies like Scrum and Kanban, breaking down complex work into manageable, iterative cycles called sprints. With its intuitive interface and seamless integration within the Zoho ecosystem, it streamlines workflows and enhances team collaboration, making project management simpler and more effective for teams of all sizes. To begin using Zoho Sprints, first create a workspace which acts as your organization's portal. Define essential settings like your team's time zone and daily work hours. Next, invite your team members and assign them appropriate roles, controlling their access and permissions within the platform. Finally, create your initial project by giving it a clear name, a brief description, and setting its start and end dates. This foundational setup ensures everyone is aligned and ready to collaborate effectively. Effective project execution hinges on managing your sprints and backlog. Start by organizing all project ideas, features, and requirements into a comprehensive product backlog, prioritizing items based on business needs. During sprint planning, select the most critical items from this backlog to be completed within a defined sprint duration, typically 1 to 4 weeks. Utilize the interactive Scrum board to visually track task progress, update statuses, and ensure your team stays focused on delivering value incrementally. Zoho Sprints offers robust reporting and collaboration features to keep your projects on track. Generate insightful reports like velocity charts and burn-down diagrams to understand team performance and identify areas for improvement. Customizable dashboards provide a quick overview of project status and team engagement. Enhance teamwork through integrated chat, comment sections on tasks, and a dedicated meetings module, ensuring seamless communication and efficient decision-making across your entire Agile team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.